Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at CODX today. Here's why. The stock had a really nice move off the 50-day moving average. Now, you got to be careful about this stock. I've been in it, I think, 3 different times and made good money on one of them and lost a little money on the other 2. And it would be perfectly rational for you to say, why didn't you just buy it and hold it, Dan? It's forming a base. And I would say, you know what? Honestly, that's a darn good idea. I just didn't do it, but in hindsight, of course, I should have done it. The issue with this stock, though, is it makes these little, like this is like a little teeny move here. Oh, yeah, this is good. Really good move, opened at the 50, ran up at, hey man, it closed up a couple bucks. That's really cool. It was 12%. I mean, it closed up a lot. And so when you're trading a low dollar stock like this, the percentage swings can really get you. And so I just kind of got shaken out of this stock a few times, but I like it here. Maybe I'll get shaken out again. I took a small position today, but I see the way the stock has traded here. Last time it shot up again here too. Pretty decent volume. And then ultimately it faded. And so now we're back here again. Well, the stock's at a new high. It hasn't been this high in the last few weeks, right? And so I like the fact that we got really strong volume, really high volume. And I think the stock's ready to blast off. So this is what I would do if you're not long this stock. The high was 18.88. Frankly, I'd wait for 19 bucks. And if it trades above there and it holds there, then that's when I would start a small position, and then wait for it to hit 20 bucks. And it has to break out and hold $20 for me to then take a bigger position. This is a note I made to myself a while ago. The idea here is this stock ran up, caught a lot of people. Like, just remember, on this huge volume, everybody that sold a share sold it to somebody who bought it. So there's a lot of trapped bulls that are still way underwater on this stock. And I think it's just taken quite a while for them to kind of finally, one by one share by one share, give up the ghost and go ahead and sell. And so at some point, all of that selling is going to be done, and then we're going to get a bigger move to the upside. I seriously don't know whether this is starting. I couldn't tell you. I wish I could, but I'm not going to insult your intelligence or your pocketbook. I'm just saying, I'm trading it this way. I'm taking a small position in what I just mentioned about 19 and then 20 bucks. That's exactly the way I'll trade it. But I'm not going to anticipate it and say, oh, well, I'll just buy a boatload now so that then when it does break 20 bucks, I'll already be really in the money on a big position. If I knew that it was going to break 20 bucks, that's exactly what I would do. But I don't know. And so don't confuse hope with knowing, because they're a big difference. And that's the thing that a lot of traders deal with, hope and change. I hope that the price changes and that my fortune changes, but that's not the way you want to be trading. You want to be trading on what you're seeing, not what you're hoping you're going to see. So anyway, that's it. Oh, and members, I'm going to be in the forum tomorrow morning. We're going to be looking at Dell and VMware. Dell's up big on, their 81% stake in VMware. They're going to be doing something with it. So I will be in the forum to post on this kind of thing, because there could be some real money to be made or lost depending on what the stock does. So anyway, that's it. You all have a good evening.